So you can see here, we are starting with this entry audience, my entry audience of high value lapsed customers. And you can see that this is based on my data cloud, which lives in BigQuery. So you have any variety of nodes on the right-hand side here that you can use to build your journey. So it's fundamentally a no-code UI that allows marketers to build really any kind of journey they can conceptualize in a really intuitive drag and drop fashion. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start by grabbing a criteria node. So a criteria node, you can kind of think of it as almost a mini audience builder. It's a way of separating out your customers into different logical groups so that they can go down a more personalized path. So you're going to be able to deliver much more relevant content to the people in each of these groups. So in this case, I'm going to call my criteria node my product propensity. Check. So with GrowthLoop, you can pull in any attribute that lives in your warehouse, whether that's a really simple attribute like, let's say, geography, so the city or state where someone lives. But you can also pull in more complex models. So in this case, let's say that I have a product propensity model that lives in my data warehouse, and it's going to let me know which folks are most likely to buy which categories. So I'm going to hop in here. And I'm going to grab my filter, which is called product propensity, and I'm going to filter to apparel. So these are my shoppers who are most likely to purchase something from the apparel category. So I'll continue to customize their journey and the content they're receiving to reflect the items that I think that they are most likely to buy. Now you can add as many different, we'll call them subnodes, basically just groups, to this criteria node as you want. So let's say that I have another group that tends to spend a lot on pet supplies. I have a cat and I spend quite a lot on pet supplies, so this would probably be me. Product propensity is pets. Lovely. So we've now got our apparel group. We've got our group of folks most likely to buy things for their pets. And then we have this final bucket of everyone else, so folks who have a different product propensity. In this case, I'm really just going to continue down these custom journeys for folks interested in apparel and pets.